What's going on, everybody? So I'm about to do something that I've never seen any other credit repair company owner do, and that's show you my credit score. So in just a minute, we're gonna hop on Experian, and I'm gonna show you my credit score. Why? Because I think you deserve to know what my credit score is. If I'm working on your credit, I should have good credit, right? You'd be surprised at the amount of people who are running credit repair businesses and they have terrible credit. And I mean terrible credit. How do I know this? Because they reach out to me to fix their credit. So just check this video out. I'm going to show y'all my score. Let me know in the comments what you think my score is before I show it. All right, so we are logged into my Experian. As you can see, David Payne, March the 8th. And my credit score has went down a good bit, but that's okay. 758 is a good score. And I chose to show y'all my TransUnion score simply because it's my lowest score. I know most people would show their highest score. I don't care if y'all see my address. It's a P.O. box. But yeah, I mean, I have 4 inquiries. Those are tied to accounts. I have low tier accounts. Credit 1. I don't use it. You know, I have 0 usage on my credit cards, 5 accounts. I don't have what everybody thinks that I have on my credit report. 0 collections, 0 public records. As most of you know, I did have a bankruptcy. But yeah, I really wanted to show this because nobody that works on credit that's on YouTube or TikTok or anywhere that I know of shows their credit score. And I know why. Most people that have credit repair companies, I'm just going to be honest here, they have shitty credit. How do I know this? Because a lot of them reach out to me to fix their credit. And my first question is, if you do credit repair, why do you want to hire me to fix your credit? So again, as you can see, David Allen Payne, this is mine. Oh, and for those of you that know, my dad's name's David Payne. 1984. I was born in 84. I think my dad was born in 62. But yeah, I just wanted to share this with y'all. My TransUnion credit score is a 758. Again, nobody is showing their credit scores. My score about 6 months ago was, I think, 818 or 820. But I added a couple of new accounts, and that makes your score go down. Just like, maxing out a credit card, or, well, I wouldn't say missing a late payment, because that'll really tank your score. So as you can see, my credit score is a 758 on TransUnion. Again, I chose TransUnion because that's my lowest score. I didn't want to just show you my highest score, which is Equifax. Most people's credit score is the highest on Equifax. Anyway, if y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.